So you guys, I have created a form using React. Okay, one user can create only 2 posts in a minute. So if I want to validate this request using Laravel, so how can do? So first of all, we let me show you example. First, we fill this form, and I want to validate this request. If the user submitted 2 posts in a minute, so only 2 posts can accept after when in a minute, and when the third post is created in a minute, so it will give a error like too many items are this. Now easily we can submit it 3-4 posts, because we have not used here rate limiter. So we are going to use rate limiter. So here I will. So you have to come on the service provider, route service provider. Here you will get rate limiter features. So first you have to define this con limiting. So you have to create a function like this protected function con. Now so I'm going to explain how many times it requested. So here is already given when I created a route, then I will get this code already. So you will also get this code right limiter for API if you using API. So just you have to change, and I will remove from here, and here we will protect this route inside this, and just we will copy this, and it is for API per minute hitting 60 times. If user hit 1 minute in 60 times, will get this. After this 161 attempted fine, you will get 4 to 9 error, too many attempts already. So I have copy here API posts, and request rate limiter per minute 2 by request user this. Okay, then you have to go in your route, and here you will validate the route request. I will copy this, and then you have to close this like this, and you have to paste here. You do this now. Okay, so we will use here throttle post. This will tell me the incoming request. We have to maintain this. So I am here, and I will just refresh this, and we will fill autofiller, create 1 post already, and after that you have to fill another post created, and after this we will get the error. So definitely we have too many attempts already. Okay, thank you so much guys.